Welcome. In front of me is an ROG Phone 7 from ASUS, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we'll need to turn it off by holding the power button and selecting power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. This will boot us first into, I presume this is bootloader of some sorts. So using volume keys, we want to select recovery mode as it was visible right there, but you can just kind of keep on cycling through. Once it's visible, press power button to confirm it. And as you can see, we are now in the ASUS recovery mode. Now in here, we can navigate through the options using the same method, volume buttons to navigate up and down, and power to confirm it. Let's see if we can actually also use our touch. Nope, that doesn't seem to work, so only volume buttons and power key. Now quickly going into the options that we have right here, we have Reboot System Now, which will take us back to Android. We have Reboot to Bootloader, which will take us back to the previous page. We have Enter Fastboot Mode and also Wipe Data Factory Reset, along with the Power Off option. I'm going to quickly check one last thing in here. So this is just a factory reset. The reason I'm checking it, because sometimes under Wipe Data we could also find Clear Cache, but that is not present right here. Anyway, I'm gonna now select Reboot System Now, confirm it, and this takes me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.